In the cradle of the Indus, where rivers softly sing, lies a land of courage, a nation born in spring. Beneath the emerald banner, the crescent and the star, lives the dream of millions who prayed from near and far. They walked through fire and hunger, through trials and endless night, holding high the torch of hope, in darkness and in fright. The soil drank the sweat and blood of hearts that would not bend. For freedom's call was sacred, their struggle had no end. O Pakistan, my dearest, your name was carved in pain, each letter written in sacrifice, each syllable in rain. From the ashes of division, from sorrow's deepest seam, you rose, a sovereign heartbeat, the keeper of a dream. Your mountains stand like sentinels, your deserts vast and wide. Your fields of gold and cotton sway like oceans in their pride. The songs of every village, the prayers at every dawn, all whisper to the skies above, our love will carry on. We are the children of martyrs, the heirs of those who gave their youth, their homes, their final breath, for a flag they swore to save. And when the wind stirs gently, and the crescent shines so bright, it feels as though their souls still guard us every night. Yet freedom is a promise, not a treasure to forget. It asks for toil and unity, for hearts that won't regret. So let us keep on building, with truth our guiding flame, and honor every sacrifice by living in their name. O Pakistan, my homeland, no matter where I roam, your soil remains my heartbeat, your sky my only home. I pledge to you my spirit, my voice, my everyday. For the green and white will never fade, nor lose its shining ray. And when the world asks who I am, I'll answer strong and free. I am a child of Pakistan, and Pakistan lives in me.